IMS 2019 is being held in Boston, which is a fantastic city.
Boston is a unique city in how diverse it is in both the people and the technology that we develop.
The Boston area always fostered innovation.
It started with the radiation laboratory, which was centered at MIT and really could be considered the birth of the modern microwave field, and that tradition has been strong.
IMS 2019 will be held at the award-winning Boston Convention and Exhibition Center.
2.1 million square feet. It's one of the largest in the Northeast.
BCEC is in an awesome area in Boston, in the Seaport District. There's so much to do. We have the Lawn on D where you can hang out outside. There's a bowling alley, there's movie theater. 5 years ago, it was just parking lots and ports.
It's become over time this hub for innovation and especially a hub for microwave engineering.
These companies are doing defense contracts, semiconductors, telecommunications.
At IMS 2019, we're going to introduce the Startup Pavilion.
Startup Pavilion is a place where startups from Boston and other cities can come to talk about their new technology.
There'll be a Startup 101 panel session, a Next Top Startup competition.
There will also be a special area on the exhibition floor where they can actually show their products.
We're actually introducing for the first time 60-second presentation or S2P competition. The idea is that they try to encourage interactive forum participants to record a video of themselves in less than a minute that summarizes their idea and encourages people to come visit their poster.
We are going to have a young professionals bump out area where a lot of the young professionals can hang out and meet other like-minded individuals.
IMS really does bring together all of the elements that the microwave engineer is looking for.
It's a great place to network and learn new technology, as well as see all the products firsthand.
IMS 2019, a wicked smart idea.
Wicked smart.
Wicked smart.
Wicked smart.
Wicked Smaht.
Wicked Smaht.
Wicked smart.
Wicked smart.
Wicked smart.
Wicked smart.
Wicked smart.